So we're back in the shop, y'all. We've been in here for a minute, trying to just arrange the things. Had a long little weekend from the past, but we back here and we back in action. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got the Roadglide, we got the Street Glide. So we're about to be sliding. Then we got my boy Road King right here. So stay tuned for that. So this is the Texas joint we're about to finish up this week so we can have this thing on its way, y'all. I have to just go over the primary stuff. I'm gonna go over that and put some fork fluid inside. So I'm gonna hit the Harley today. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. This bike was won by the winner who claimed it in Texas. So we should be flying out there delivering this bike. If not this week, then next week. So stay tuned for that. We got the rims right here we're gonna put on and get it on its way. Then we got this Roadglide right here looking good as hell. This is my boy joint. Got this thing looking good, man. Ready to slide. We still got to get that back rim situation figured out. So I put the stock rim on for now just so I can get a test ride so he can enjoy it in the meantime. But we're going to finish it up so we can get that because I don't want everybody thinking this bike only got one rim when it has both. So that's that. We got the seat from the upholstery, so stay tuned for that. We're going to have that up on here. So we should be getting a test ride on this joint. If not today, then tomorrow. I'm trying to do it ASAP so we can get this thing to the owner. So stay tuned, y'all. We working and we sliding, man. We're about to get some work in, though. So this battery was super dead. I just took it from my house. I had it charging over the weekend. So we're gonna see if we can get some power with this joint. I gotta just tighten this up. But let's see. Oh yeah, we got some action, baby boy. That's what I'm talking about. I said we can get a start on this joint. Oh, we for sure got power. Fuel not connected. Let's connect this fuel, y'all. So like it's fully on there now. So let's see. Oh my God, what the hell? Cannot believe this, man. This is crazy. It's really always something. I know for sure we changed this. I don't even know how this is leaking right now. Damn, man. It's always something. That's really why you cannot leave these fuel lines out too long, because they really do this. So I just went ahead and started the bike. I couldn't do it with the camera because I had to watch for that fuel because it's still leaking right now. But I could say everything is back intact. The bike started right up. So that's the only thing that got me like kind of nervous right now is this fuel situation. But I know for a fact this thing has been changed. But I couldn't say that has been almost over a year ago. So it's like, damn. So I got to get another fuel peacock. Gotta get one of them, and that ain't even cheap. So I gotta grab one of them. I'm gonna head by the powder coat shop in a second. I'm gonna grab the crash bar and that other clutch lever piece that I need. But I just really wanted to hear it start. Now I heard it start. I'm so happy. I feel way better, and the exhaust sounds amazing. Cause this finally has a 2-into-1. It was a 2-into-2 at first, but besides that, I gotta just go over that, get the pieces from the powder coat, wait on this damn, I can't even think of it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna grab that and then get these pieces and get it on its way, man. Y'all see what's going on? I really want to show y'all a startup, but I want to wait until the fuel is perfect so it can stay on. Right now, I just did a quick cut on, heard it cut on for 3 seconds and cut it right back off. But now I know it's good. We in the game and we got power, so y'all see what's going on. Oh shit, fuel gonna be leaking out, man. It's wet everywhere. It's crazy. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and get this gas tank off. I'm gonna tighten up the primary, put the shifters and whatnot on. We coming on, man. We got some faith. This joint been here for a second, but it's about to be done. It's about to be rolling. So y'all about to see what's going on, man. Stay tuned. We about to be rolling in no time, y'all. So we about to get some work in on that Texas joint too. Stay tuned. So like for this bike, when I was trying to put this cover on last week, I couldn't do it because this piece was like all the way out here, like not too much, but like that. So I know it got that little rod inside of there. So what I was just doing right now was disassembling the whole primary. I loosened this out, took all that off. I still got to take this out regardless, but I just fixed it just off playing with this. But I still got to take all this out because this is like super stiff or like stuck. So I'm gonna take the whole inner primary off and see what's up with that shifter. But at first, if it was somebody else or something different, the situation could have been different. But either way, I take apart the whole inner primary to get to that back piece. But I'm glad I just know what I be doing and what I be touching and what I don't touch. So now we got this all the way in. We could go ahead and literally put this cover on side of here and have that completely on. So now it's going to go on there. Let me show y'all real quick. Completely flat, no problem. At first, it wouldn't even do that. But yeah, I'm gonna torque that down with some Loctite, get that up on there. But y'all see what's going on. We got this thing coming along, man. Stay tuned. Y'all see what's going on, man. We are working, y'all. So now we basically got that cover on there, nice torqued down with the cam cover. We're gonna go ahead and put the exhaust on. Now we got the space with everything nice and clear. That was the main thing holding me back with this thing right here. We gotta just get one piece for this right here. I can still put on without the muffler. So I'm gonna go to Harley and grab that with the fork fluid. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and get that exhaust bolted on. Get the exhaust bolted. I'm debating about putting the back wheel on right now because of the balance. Well, you know what? I could put the front wheel. I'm still waiting on the rotors. So I probably just put the front wheel too, just because, so it can stay evenly down. I don't want the tilt. But yeah, we got this thing rolling, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Then we're gonna get back to that primary. But we got it going. Definitely got it going. I just had to switch cars and move the trailer out the shop so I can go ahead and get some space to pull these bikes out today if everything goes right. So today, right now, we are at about 16 spots on the giveaway for the 2017 Road King. So if you want to get in, please cop a beanie while you can. With that being said, we're about to slide back to the shop right now and we're about to try to get some work done. So stay tuned for that. We're about to get it in and get some work done, man. So we coming and we working and we sliding, y'all. Stay tuned. So we just left from the powder coat shop, y'all. We got the parts for the Roadglide. We got the crash bar with the levers back there. Freshly powder coated, fresh black. So it's gonna look so much better than what it used to be. So we're about to head to the upholstery shop, check on the seat. They had it the wrong color, had to have them redo it. So now it's about to be the final piece to the puzzle. That seat should be done in the next 2 days. So I'm about to go back up there right now and make sure the color is on point. Then we're gonna go back to the shop, y'all, and put these pieces on. So stay tuned, we sliding. Yes, sir, we are finally in the shop and we got all the space without that trailer. It's crazy. So I almost fell. So we about to move these bikes up, man, and get them going. Y'all seen yesterday when we left off working on this bike, we got the transmission stuff figured out. We got the back tire going up on there. We gotta just finish off the primary, taking off that inside, fixing the shifter. Then we got the parts for this joint. So this thing is about to be on its way, y'all. You already know what's going on, man. But like I said, let's move everything back forward and get it back clear here. Everything's hunched up right now, but we're about to fix it. Good. My man's out here sliding. Still got to get this back wheel, but that ain't stopping us from test ride. We still got to get that gas peacock. I was trying to see if there was anything else I can do, like maybe switching the rubber seal that goes on here, and this is still connected. That's crazy. So we got everything ready to go on this joint. The only problem is this goddamn fuel. It stayed overnight. I don't see no fuel, so I'm hoping it's not leaking, but we're about to see right now. Let's cut this on. Got the power, got the gauges. Hit the fuel. Oh, my guy is in the game. No fuel. Damn, that's crazy. It was leaking all yesterday. I guess I finally got in there fully right. Let's go for the first start in a long time, but he's hot and ready. Motherfucking weed. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir, big boy. Coming. Yes, this thing is coming. Got all the dirt burning off. I'll keep working on everything. Yes, sir. Got this thing on the way. Y'all see it. We got to go over the bike, make sure everything is good, but I wanted to get it started up just so I can know everything is working out. Yes, sir. Got all that smoke coming off. That's chopping like a motherfucker. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not tripping. I'm really not tripping, but I know for sure I'm not tripping. So look, yesterday I knew for sure the peacock was bad, but it's like, the thing is with that, inside, let me show y'all so y'all can understand what I'm saying. This is exactly the part I'm talking about. These things right here, that's why I have so many of them, because they always go bad. So basically when these go bad, it's really that rubber piece inside of there. So I know before this owner had this bike, I sold it to him. I know I changed it. I know it was good, but I know that was over a year ago and they can go bad again. So from this bike to this bike, this gas tank was leaking when I tried it yesterday. So I'm gonna try that out again and make sure that it's all the way in there complete as it should. Cause this bike for sure, I thought the fuel was messed up. And as you can see, we got a good first startup, no fuel leaking nowhere. It sat in there and did exactly what it was supposed to do. So that was perfect. I swear I was going to hit the owner up like, we got to get another thing, man. But that was perfect. So we're going to go ahead and put this crash bar back together. We got our levers. I had an extra one, so I just threw it in there. And then we got our piece. This was scraped up, so I had to get it re-hit. So now we good to go in the game. We're going to go ahead and pick up that clutch line and adjust it back on here. So stay tuned for that. We are coming though, man. It's definitely looking good. Definitely looking good. I'm about to just put the primary fluid and put the shifters on. But we coming, we working, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. We are literally making it happen. Y'all see what's going on, man. So I went ahead and took off the outer fairing. When I had just started the bike, I was trying to hit the throttle, but I noticed the cruise control sensor was on. Usually that's only happening if a wire is pinched or touching. So I had to go over the wires and the connectors. I took this back off so I could check this, make sure this was good. So I'm about to go ahead and see if it's gonna have a different reaction. So yeah, I gotta go ahead and do that. I gotta go over the wires. Once I get that, we'll be in the game. So the next step with this joint, I gotta go ahead and hit HARLEY. I gotta grab this plastic piece that holds the lever with the actual line together. I have to grab that. And I'm missing a rubber piece for the shifter. It's a rubber piece that goes on before the shifter. I have to grab that. And then I gotta grab this other little miscellaneous piece right here for the brake for this Texas bike. So we're gonna go ahead and have that on its way. I took the battery out and got the at the house charging so we can have that thing fully juiced up. So stay tuned for that. We got these things on the way, man. Stay tuned, man. If you want to enter to win any of these bikes, man, you can now enter for my 2017 Road King right now. We're at about 15 spots left as we speak right now. As soon as the last 15 fill up, we're going live Friday. We're picking the winner live here on YouTube, man. So if you want to get in to win, go in the description below, grab your red slide and beanie, man. It could be you next at your door getting the bike delivered to you, built by Dre himself, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We sliding and we working, man. We getting it in.